This is ONEPLUS Nord CE3 Lite, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So firstly, open whatever search engine you prefer and input the Fortnite APK query. Then, within the search results, or amongst the search results, look for epicgames.com or fortnite.com websites. Onwards, once you've loaded the web page, confirm that you would like to download the file that it suggests anyway. Then once downloaded, open the file, grant the Google Chrome or any other browser that you use with the install unknown apps permission. Onwards, tap at the install button from the next dialog window you will see. Once the Epic Game Store app gets installed, launch it. Then open the Fortnite game page and tap at the install button over there. As you can see, once the Fortnite gets downloaded but is yet to be installed, the following dialog window will pop up. So from here, go to Settings, switch on the Allow Apps from this source toggle, then confirm the Fortnite installation, wait for the game to be installed, which will take much less time that the download did, then open the game, and from here you gotta simply wait until the Fortnite will finish downloading all remaining resources, updates, and other files. The update size is pretty damn big. It's going to be, if I'm not mistaken, just about 7 gigabytes or something like that for some reason. Okay, so here it is. Alrighty, I was a bit off, so it's going to the update size is going to be about or around 6 gigabytes. So anyway, wait for it to be completed and fully downloaded, and after that you will be finally able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.